So, you got a traffic ticket in Brevard County. Look, it's frustrating, I get it, but what if I told you that you could completely skip the courthouse lines and handle the whole thing from your couch? In this explainer, we're going to walk through the exact digital roadmap to get that citation cleared quickly and easily. Seriously, why waste half your day driving across town and standing in line, decoding legal jargon, when the online system is sitting right there? Once you know exactly how to navigate it, it is incredibly simple. Here's how we're going to break it down today. First, understanding your ticket. Then, navigating the court website, preparing your payment info, the step-by-step process, and finally, troubleshooting common issues. All right, let's jump right into Section 1, understanding your traffic ticket. Okay, the absolute most important detail on your citation is the number 30. You have exactly 30 days from the issue date printed right there on your ticket to pay the penalty or make an election like traffic school. It's a hard deadline, and missing it is exactly how a simple mistake turns into a huge headache. But, and this is a really fascinating quirk in the system, it can actually take up to 7 days for law enforcement to file your citation into the county database. So if you get pulled over on a Tuesday and try to pay it that night, it probably won't even be there. Don't panic, just give it a couple of days. Because if you do ignore that 30-day window, things escalate really fast. First, you get automatic delinquency fees. Then your driver's license gets suspended. And if you hit that 90 to 120-day mark, it goes straight to collections, which wrecks your credit history. Let's just avoid all of that, okay? Moving on to Section 2, navigating the court website. You're going to be using something called BCA. That stands for the Brevard Electronic Court Application. You'll find it right on the homepage of the Brevard County Clerk's official website. Think of it as your personal digital gateway to pull up your case without ever having to wait on hold. Grab your physical ticket because you'll need it to pull up your record. The quickest way is to just type in your citation number, which is usually sitting up near the top right. If you lost it, no worries. You can also search using your official case number or even just your first and last name. Okay, Section 3, preparing your payment info. So you actually have 2 online options, the Direct Brevard Clerks portal or the statewide Pay FCL Clerk portal. Now listen closely if you're doing this on your smartphone. You absolutely must disable your pop-up blockers for the state portal. If you don't, it won't redirect you to the payment page and you'll just be stuck clicking a broken button. Make sure you've got your card ready. They take Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. Just a heads up, there are convenience fees, usually about a $2 minimum or $2.95% on the local portal. Also, figure out your game plan right now. Are you just paying the fine, electing traffic school to avoid points, or maybe you need a partial payment plan which has a $5 monthly fee? Decide your path before you start. Next up, Section 4, the step-by-step online payment process. It's really just 4 basic steps. First, select your ticket from the BCAD database, and seriously, double-check the details so you don't pay someone else's fine. Second, choose your resolution, like paying it off or doing traffic school. Third, accept those convenience fees. And fourth, submit your payment info securely. Okay, I need to emphasize this part because it's a huge technical warning straight from the court. Do not use the back button on your browser. If you hit back while it's processing, it can crash the transaction or, way worse, double charge your credit card. Use the buttons actually built into the web page itself and just keep moving forward. And when that payment goes through successfully, don't close the tab. Save it as a PDF, take a screenshot, print it out, whatever you need to do. That digital receipt is your definitive, legally binding proof that you took care of business, just in case the system glitches later. Finally, Section 5. Troubleshooting common issues. If it's been more than 7 days and your ticket is still nowhere to be found, or if the website just completely crashes on you, don't guess. Just call a real human being. The Brevard Clerk's Traffic Assistance line is 321-637-5413. They're actually super helpful and can check everything on the back end for you. And hey, if you decide the internet just isn't your thing today, you've got solid offline options too. You can mail a cashier's check or money order to Titusville, walk into any Western Union or Amscot, or just pay in person at the clerk counters in Viera, Titusville, Melbourne, Merritt Island, or Palm Bay. Now for a quick disclaimer. Everything in this explainer is highly accurate right now, but government rules and fees do like to evolve over time. Always double-check the current details directly on the official Brevard County Clerk website. And if your situation is super complicated, definitely talk to a legal professional. So now that you have the digital roadmap, how fast will you clear your ticket and get confidently back on the road? Thanks for tuning into this explainer. You've got the exact steps to handle this from home, beat that 30-day deadline, and save yourself a massive headache. Stay safe out there